let's check out these waterproof headphones that are little earplugs that plug into your aux cable. So this is what they look like. These are IPX8 waterproof. I realize not a lot of devices have the plugins, but some definitely do. And so these are definitely handy in that situation. So this is what your cable looks like here, and it's a good length. And then it plugs in right here. And then you've got this that plugs into your devices. It's actually going to work right here for my little Bluetooth speaker. So you can see how that plugs in right there. And then this has a little bit of a stretch. It also has a little clip, so you can clip it onto your top. And then these are a nice little comfortable earbud. They come with different size silicone pieces for your ears. Sometimes in earbuds are uncomfortable. And so you've got all these different little size options and shapes if you want to switch out so that you can get the best fit. The good thing about getting a really custom fit is you don't have to worry about them falling out or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. These are really lightweight and very comfortable as well. I'm gonna adjust my little strap here. Clip this up a little higher. Now I am ready to listen to my music.